Me and Alex are back in New York. This time we're at an abandoned, I think it's a factory, but there's also trails that lead to a waterfall and stuff like that. So we're going to check that out first. We found a little, oh, that's sick. So that's maybe the dam or the waterfall they were talking about, but we must be walking along a dam that they was talking about. Oh yeah. Whoa. This is lit. It's so beautiful though. We're now right next to the building. As you can see, there's people down there. See that? Yeah, that is dope. Yeah, now we're kind of just procrastinating until we find an opening to try and get inside. But yeah, here's the building. So me and Alex, we were walking down this little boardwalk to look for a way in, and this could potentially be it. We're just still waiting for those people in front of us to disappear a little bit. But yeah, overall it's still a nice ass area. It's kind of a dope place. We were at this huge hospital before, and oh, me and Alex just found a entrance. Yeah, we made it, kind of. We're now within the fences, but we just need to find a door to do it. Oh yeah, I was gonna do it. What? What'd you say? There's a spider. Oh, me and Alex are now in. Let me get the flashlight out. Oh. I didn't bring the flashlight. We have to go back to the car, I feel. Let's see if they work. I guess they work good enough for now, but this doesn't even go anywhere. We came in here for nothing. Never. So me and Alex are taking a quick intermission. I forgot the flashlight. We had literally just gotten in the building. And then I was like, oh wait. I checked my pockets and didn't have the fucking flashlight.
Yeah, the flashlight with him.
And we were in a room that led to nothing, so we're gonna go try and find a different entrance and go back in. Because this building, there's a lot of buildings. And there's other people here, but in a way it makes it more exhilarating. Like the chance of getting caught. Like we had to sneak in and out real quick. We never usually, once we're in the building, we're usually like, we're not leaving. Because we don't want to get caught. But this time I was like, we need the flashlight. We found another entrance. And I have the flashlight this time.
Sick. Let's go in.
There could possibly be, hold on, let's see if there's something easier. That's kind of scary. Those fireworks, bro? Huh? That's probably what the... Fire. Yeah, fucking somebody setting off fireworks. There was a sign that said Crime Stoppers, blah, blah, blah. Whoever set off a fire here, $2,500 reward. Now we're kind of nervous. If somebody sees us, they might think it was us. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I saw that. Damn. Make sure there's nothing in mine. Yeah, you're right. This place is big as fuck. Kinda wanna go upstairs. Stairs look broken as fuck though. Alex back there. Oh, this looks sick. We're going to that door over there. Whoa. Hmm?
That's creepy.
Yeah, definitely is. Wow, this one is big. The graffiti in this place is sick. Look at that one. Oh shit, that's dope. Oh, that's kind of cool too. I'll show all the cool graffiti for you guys. It's like half of it. Oh, look at that. I think graffiti is most definitely an art form. This one is fucking sick. I need to stay crouched because right over there is where the people park and I hear people talking. We found a... Oh shit. Scary. Oh, it's dark as fuck. Good thing I got the flashlight. That's loud as fuck. What the fuck, bruh? It's just big as fuck. So there's a little bit more of a down path, and there's this fucking area out here, which looks sick. We keep hearing voices and shit. Not like ghosts, obviously, like people. And we keep thinking they're close to us. Now we're gonna check down here. What the fuck? Why is there a fence inside the building? Oh, there's stairs over there. Something about stairs just makes me excited. Always have to wipe my hand in front of me just in case there's a spider web. I guess we're attempting the stairs. They feel stable enough. Super fucking scary though. I don't know if we should step up here. The roof was kind of caving above us. Now we're back to here. UFO. Dope as fuck. Another big empty room. Broken ass toilet. I think that was a car door. There's stairs in here. Oh, oh my god. There's a fucking truck right there. Guys, there's a truck right outside that window. That is so funny. There's people all out there. I guess that means we go back. Jeez, it's so bright. It's bright as fuck. This room has a ton of cool graffiti. We just heard a bang right under us. I'm gonna show you that one real quick. That one's sick. Me and Alex are doing our escape now. And then potentially heading to a mansion 10 minutes away. We are now on the way out. Perfect timing too, because there's a family walking up. We were just right in there. That building right there is the one that we were looking out, and there was a truck right outside. But yeah, now we'll be going somewhere else maybe. So I guess somewhere in here, middle of the fucking woods, there's supposed to be a mansion with a laundry building and a pool and greenhouse. Oh, there it is. That's the driveway. Yeah, we're making progress. This is the driveway that leads to the mansion. We are still walking up this driveway. That's how far we've came. We don't even know how far we have left to go, but all we know is that we're making progress. We keep seeing mad of those Oh, that spider's giant! I was about to say, we keep seeing mad at those webs. We haven't seen the spider yet, though. Me and Alex been walking for a good 10 minutes already. We still can't see the house, but now we're on this big ass rock. Just because, you know,
Look at that line of
when we see a rock, you want to step on it. Yeah, there's huge spiders everywhere. We saw two sharing a fucking web. Only time we had to walk a trail in Connecticut was the abandoned textile mill. And if you guys haven't watched that video, go check it out. We heard screams and bangs. There's other people there. It's lit. It's my least viewed video. I don't understand why. Go watch it. We finally arrived at this damn mansion.
That's it? This is it?
Yeah, but I think there's like a pool, a greenhouse, something like that. It's definitely less of a mansion than I expected, but you know. Damn, it's so overgrown in there. It was definitely big when it was still a house. Oh, something's up there too. Got another building right here. I think this was the greenhouse or whatever. Damn.
Downstairs.
No way there's a downstairs in this thing. That's creepy as fuck.
Dark as shit.
Good thing I have a flashlight, hopefully. Dude, no way I forgot it again. Yep. Forgot it again, so let's turn these on. Alright, you ready? This is so creepy. Oh, we'd get fucked by spiders if we went down there. It's literally just like a one little small room. It's not worth it. There could be a demon down there.
Hello?
The fuck was that? You heard that steps over here?
I heard that.
Oh, it's a big ass frog.
Really?
Yeah. Right there. See that, man? That guy's big. Do we want to go up there?
God damn.
Like up there?
I know it seems risky.
Me and Alex just want a staircase. What was this? Like a fireplace outside? Or something they covered up? Looks like it could have been filled up with dirt. The staircase leads up to some type of little building up there. This is all it was, my nigga?
Whoa.
Looks like somebody could have built this yesterday.
Look at this.
That's sick. Oh, that's after the fire? We found a pool. Right in the front yard, what we probably should have expected, but there's people way over there. It's so weird. Mad people just showed up out of nowhere. Two just scared the shit out of us. Now there's three more. There's a building over there. Me and Alex on our way back, but have another 15-minute walk. But you can't really see much, but there's a river over there. And there's an island on that river with a castle in the middle that is abandoned. That is a video that will be coming very soon, because I've been wanting to go to that island. It's the sickest thing. You could even I'm seeing how far up this hill I can get. Oh.
I think you can go higher than that.
It's scary as fuck.
I think you can go higher than that.
Yeah, maybe. It's just once you're up there, you're like, you turn around, you're like, damn, I'm high as fuck. What is that, bro? What is that? Let's see if it happens again. Dude, what is that? My nigga. Let's just keep walking. No, I'm not fucking with
Someone
that.
fucking with us.
It
dude.
better be. It better have been those people that was at the fucking mansion. And now the train is going crazy too. Why is the train beeping like that? Is somebody on the fucking tracks, my nigga? Dude, that squealing noise is still happening. I just realized I was recording the bushes the whole time. Yeah, I don't even know what that could be. I hear a dog now too. I swear we're getting closer.
Sounds like a horse.
Yeah, it does sound like a fucking horse. That's really weird. There's horse stables up there. But like obviously hasn't been a horse in there for a while. Dude, it's a fucking ghost horse. The headless horseman lives here.